Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put a Ford Expedition into neutral. Modern Expeditions feature an electronic rotary shifter, which requires a specific sequence to engage neutral when the engine is off or for extended periods. This process is essential for situations like automatic car washes or when you need to manually move the vehicle a short distance. We will guide you through each step to ensure you can safely and correctly put your vehicle into neutral. First, ensure your Expedition is on a level surface and the parking brake is engaged for safety. With your foot firmly on the brake pedal, press the Start-Stop button once without pressing the brake to enter accessory mode. This powers up the necessary electrical systems without starting the engine. If your vehicle has a traditional key, turn it to the on position without starting the engine. Now, with the brake still pressed, rotate your rotary shifter to the neutral position. Next, locate and press the M or S button, typically found in the center of the dial, twice. Your vehicle's information display should then show a message confirming stay in neutral mode is engaged. This indicates the transmission is now in a free-rolling state. To exit neutral mode, first ensure your foot is firmly on the brake pedal. Then, simply rotate the rotary shifter to either the park or drive position. The vehicle's display will confirm that stay in neutral mode has been disabled. You can then release the brake and proceed as normal. Always confirm the vehicle is in the desired gear before driving.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.